Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing the second part to my HotMiamiStyles haul. So if you haven't watched part one, I'll link it down below, but this one's the more sort of like going out outfits. Basically all the outfits I said I wasn't going to buy any more of because I never get around to wearing them, but you know, I just couldn't help myself. But so the first video had the more casual items, bodysuits, that sort of thing, which I can wear more day to day, and then these outfits, you know, you can play around with them. They are, you know, some of them are like two pieces, so I could wear the tops with different bottoms and dress them down, that sort of thing, and get more wear out of them, but I'm just going to jump straight to it because some of the stuff I got is amazing. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So the first thing I got, I'm just going to show you how cute is the bag it came in. It's like a little shopping bag, even though it's online, which is adorable in my eyes. So the first thing I got, I'll pull it out the bag, is this. It's so cute. It's just a polka dot sort of jumpsuit, but it's got a little bit of edge to it, so it's, you know, full length. It's not like cropped, because I always find if they're like ankle swingers on me, they make my legs look so short, whereas these are like too long, but it means I'll wear heels with them, and so it'll be a nice look, I think. If not, I can tuck them up. But the front of it does have a metal V just down there, so you know, it does show a little bit if you want it to, but you can adjust the straps to show more or less, and then it sort of ties around the front. So look at those. It just, so you can tie it in a bow around the front or around the back. I'm not quite sure which one I'd prefer at this point, but no, it's just nice that you have the option, and then it just looks like it's going to be fitted all the way down. Now, it doesn't have any stretch in it, but it doesn't look like super tight fitting, so we should be alright there. But no, I think I'm just going to throw this one on to get a gist of what it looks like, but I really like it, and I don't think it'll look too pyjama-y. Like, if you look at the leg here, I would think I'm showing, you know, a pair of like pyjama bottoms, but I think when it's on it'll look quite pin-up-y if the hair's done right and that sort of thing. But no, I love it, so I'm gonna go throw it on. This is just the cutest jumpsuit I think I've ever owned. Like, I love the tie at the front. I think it just suddenly looks so timeless and classy. You can tie it at the back, I think. And then it just sort of like pulls the V apart a bit more and that sort of thing. So it is quite versatile in that sense. You can loosely tie it, or I prefer to like double knot it. Just like that. And I just think, I don't know, I think it's really sweet, and I like the way it's like more black than white. I think if it was the other way round, it would look more, probably more pyjama-y, but no, I love this. I think it looks very pin-up-y, you know, Audrey Hepburn, maybe without the V, but oh, I love it. And it is very, very, very long for me. I could probably, on my tiptoes, it still covers my feet past an inch, so I'm gonna have to wear, I have these shoes to be fair. I mean, these are about as high as my shoes go. I might be able to get away with it there. So I just need to either tack it up a little bit or wear really high heels, but none of those are too hard, but it is really cute. And I think it just is a very nice fit. It's not too tight anywhere. It has got shorts built in, which I find quite unusual. I don't know how I'm going to show you. I'm going to have to take it off to show you. But yeah, I can feel like there's like an extra panel of material around here. So it just feels really, really sort of secure and cute. No, so I love this one. Let me know what you think, but no, I can see myself wearing this in the summer with like a nice sort of jacket when it's a little bit chilly. It's just very, very sweet, and this is just very like timeless. It doesn't really go out of fashion, this sort of style. So no, I love this with a nice like updo, probably a little bit nicer than the one I've got going on currently. I definitely think you could dress this up. So no, love this. For those interested, I have just taken it off and turned it inside out so you guys can see the shorts. So like it's literally got a pair of shorts. So that's just the lining, but it's nice that they have lined it. So I mean, it just feels like really nicely made when you wear it. So no, really recommend this one, love it. So the next thing I got is Bright. Now, I literally did think it was going to be brighter than it actually is. Like, I thought it was going to be highlighter orange, but it's come in it, you know, it's bright orange, but it's it's a little bit more subtle, if you could call this subtle. So the skirt just looks like this. So it's ruched down the middle of the front and the middle of the back. So it should be quite nice for like going out, and if you're, you know, drinking, that sort of thing, and it'll also make the bum look nice, I think. I haven't actually put this one on yet, so who knows. I got it in a size small, but yeah, it just depends how the ruching, whether it stretches out too much over certain areas, but I'm hoping it'll look nice. If not, I'm going to see what it looks like with the ruching on either side, because that to me looks more normal than that. But the label's in the middle there, so my guess would be that the ruching's meant to be down the front. But I'll play around with it, wiggle it around. I think I'm going to prefer the ruching either side. I don't know, let me know what you think. Well, when I put it on, I'll wriggle it around and try it both ways, but either way, it's that lovely slinky material that always looks flattering if it's in the right place, the ruching, so love that. And then it came with a matching top. Now, I'm literally going to wear this top with jeans and that sort of thing. It's just a really nice bead neckline, long sleeve, and just a really nice bright colour. I think it'll look really cute with white jeans, that sort of thing, going out. And if you're not a cleavage person, you can wear a little bandeau underneath, like a white lace one, or just like a white one. I just think that will look really sweet, just on its own, like, regardless if you wear the matching skirt. The matching skirt definitely turns it into a very different look. But, no, I definitely love the top. So, no, I'll go throw this one on and we'll see what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and I really love the top. It fits a lot better than I was expecting. It's sort of like looser up here, so it looks a bit ruched, and then it's got the little ruching there. I just think it's so flattering, and the sleeves are not too long, which is ideal, but it definitely, this top with like a pair of white jeans is going to be gorgeous in the summer, or just like blue or black. I just love the colour of it. I've got hairbands under here, wait, that's not the top. So no, love the top. The skirt, it's a little bit unusual with this ruching band. I mean, it's not ugly at the back. I don't hate it. I'm not like sure on it. But I'm gonna try and wiggle it around the side. Let's do this to see if I think it's meant to be like this. See, that to me looks more. Yeah, I think they've just put the label in the wrong place. Like, that looks a lot more how it's meant to look, with then like the ruching down the side panels like that. No, I think that's how it's meant to look. And length of it comes like just below the knee, so it's a really cute like midi length with heels. There's no slits anywhere, so I don't need to worry about that, but it's just quite like a classy look, but still very va-va-voom. But no, so I'll definitely I think I can see myself wearing it as a two-piece. It's not too much in your face, because it is, you know, bright orange, but I definitely think I'll be wearing the top a lot more than I wear it as a two-piece, if that makes sense. But, no, I love it. I think it's really cute. No, let me know what you think, but definitely something I can see myself wearing. But I do think the ruching belongs on the side. I mean, let me know if you think I've made an absolute mistake there, but it just feels nicer on as well, like having the elastic down the edges, I think anyway. But yep, that's this one. The next thing I got is crazy. I mean, it looked a little more normal on the model, but I generally, when it arrived, I was like, did I pick that? I was like, what? But no, I mean, I love it, and what I loved about it was the top. So it sort of looks like this. It looks like, what, I can't remember what they're called. They wear like the silver milk caps like all over their body, and they do like some dance. I feel like this would fit in with their outfit just because of they wear like little waistcoats, but when this is done up it doesn't look like a waistcoat, it's like a crisscross, so that cuts over there and that goes around there and then it ties underneath the boobs. I don't know if that makes sense. So it's a crisscross top and it ties around, and it's got just a simple back and then it ties like that, and I just thought that would look really cute like going out with like black jeans. It's like va-va-voom. But no, like looking at it, I'm literally worried all these pearls are going to come off. But then if you look, they're not sewn on. They're like metal clamps. So I'm intrigued to see if that works, and I think it will. Like, I think they've created a way to keep beads on. It's mad. So that's the top. Doesn't fit badly. Probably would have preferred a medium in it, but I'll throw it on in a second so you can see it. But it did come with a matching skirt. And now the skirt. I literally don't have any words to describe it. It's just, it wouldn't quite be floor length on me. I think I haven't actually put it on. I might love it, you never know, but I think it's going to be ankle. It's quite long though. It's like a 3/4 length skirt, but it's got all that detailing in the middle, and it's mad. There's a lot going on. And then it's just plain black at the back. It does come with built-in pants, I think. Ta-da! So it's got those built in because the front of it, don't know, I'll show you when it's on, but the front of it's completely mesh. You can see my my hands poking through. So the front's sheer and just covered in beads, and the back is like jet black. It's not see-through at all, but it's definitely something, this skirt. I mean, I'll put it on and see if I feel like I'm going to work it. It might work as a strapless dress, to be honest, but no, I'll see what it's like on. But I definitely think that you'll see when I wear the top, I think it's going to look really cute with, like, you know, little black, plain black skirt, not this, or plain black jeans. I just think it's one or the other. You don't need both jazzed out to the fullest. But no, I never know, I might love it. I'm probably the type of person who would, but yep, I'll go through that one on. How it fits, and the top is just amazing. Like, I love this top. I can wear it with jeans, plain skirts, that sort of thing, and it just fits beautifully. Plain back, which is really nice. It's not, you know, too much going on. Well, obviously there's plenty going on at the front, but it's plain at the back, which I think complements it nicely, and I'm pretty sure these pearls are going to stay on. Like, they actually feel more secure than usual when they're just sewn on. I've also just realised I cannot turn this skirt into a dress because it has got pants built in, so that would just be one heck of a wedgie if I pulled it up, but I'm not feeling it. So if I walk all the way back, it's long, and it's just too much going on here, I think. Like, it's not the worst thing I put on, but it's this bit here, I don't know, let me know what you think, but I think it makes me look quite wide here, rather than like complementing my curves. It makes them look a bit odd with the illusion of the lines and the whatever we call that is. This can be like an ASMR video, eh? I just they always do those sound things. No, so love the top, but I think I'm going to wear the top with more like normal bottoms. I don't know, let me know what you think, but I think this top is gorgeous. Like, really, really love it. And the skirt's just a little bit, it's just not me. But let me know what you think of the skirt. I'll be intrigued to know if you really like it, if you don't, but I think it's a bit too much for me personally. But no, love the top, so definitely going to wear this quite a lot, I think. It's just very easy to wear, but very va-va-voom. And if I wanted to tone it down, I could put like a bandeau, and then it would be like more smart casual, but no, on a going out basis, love the top. So yeah, that's this one. Last but certainly not least is my pride and joy. So I got this outfit for my 21st, which is coming up in a few weeks. I don't think I'm going to get around to wearing it because I've got a dissertation to write, and unfortunately there is no time allowance given to birthdays, sadly, so I'll be celebrating after that hand-in. But it looks like this. So it's a two-piece set, and look at it. So I just can imagine dancing in this with a nice tan. I definitely think this is something I'll bring on holiday more so than my birthday, but when I picked it I was like, oh, that might be my birthday outfit. But looking at it now, I'm probably like, that's a bit too much, Emma. But what's really nice about it is, so it does come with, it's got underwiring in, so it's gonna, you know, fit really nice, be supportive whilst I'm dancing, and just move with me, which is what I'm really excited about, to do like, oh, I could do some salsa in it or something like that. So that's the top, and again, with the two-piece, I could wear this with like jeans, that sort of thing, if I wanted to tone it down. But if I wanted to tone it up, which is, you know, my motto, this will be what I wear. So this is a skirt. So it looks like a mini skirt, but it is actually shorts. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, look, there's shorts. So it'll keep you decent when you're doing like loads of fast movements, making it frizzle. What was I trying to say then? Making the frills move. That sounds better. And then it's got a nice waistband here, which you can fold over, have high-waisted. But just how cool is that? Like, oh, I'm so excited to dance in it. Like, that is literally my goal. So now I'm going to throw this one on. I haven't even put this on yet, and that's a miracle that I haven't tried this on yet, because I've been obsessed with it since it arrived. So no, I'm going to throw this one on and we'll see what it looks like. This is how it fits, and hands down this is one of my favourite outfits I own now. I'm not sure I'm going to get a huge amount of wear out of it, but when I wear it, it's going to be an amazing time, because look at it, it moves so well. Like, I think this is perfect for like a festival, like a summer holiday, or clubbing on the right time, but it is white, so I think if I was going clubbing I want to get it in one of the other colours, because they do it in like yellow, black, red. I'm not sure on other colours, but I just was really drawn to the white one, and I love this. And it's really cute, so it is a skirt back. They are quite booty shorts, but it fits nice. The material is quite thin, so I wouldn't recommend sweating in it or getting it wet, but to be honest, the frills will cover anything. It's just, oh, I love it. I think it's so cute. It's one of my favourite outfits right now. And the top, like, oh, sorry, my chair is running over something crackly. The top I could wear with, like, jeans, that sort of thing, or, like, with a different skirt if I didn't want to go, like, crazy vavavoom, but I love it together. I think it works so well. And I really like this panel being plain, not frilled. Like, if I wanted to, I could, like, move it down and you can have the more, like, belly dancer look, but no, I love it. So I'll move that back up. No, because if that was covered in frills, I think it would make you look quite chunky, having the frills all over that part, but being like, it still gives you a nice shape even though it's covered in frills. Oh, I love it. I'm so gonna get this in every colour. Well, I'll try and avoid that because if I wear this, then I'll consider getting it in other colours, but no, I love it. Let me know what you think of this one, but I'm obsessed. I love it. So that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I'll link all my social media in the description box below. That includes like my Instagram, Patreon, and my second channel. So if any of that interests you, please check that out. Apart from that, thank you again, and hopefully I'll see you next time.